Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to install your Blink Mini in your CAMASKER. We have the new Blink Mini in black, and it disguises really well in your CAMASKER. We're going to open up the Blink Mini now. Now let's open up the CAMASKER. The CAMASKER comes with a sticker pack, the CAMASKER grass, and the CAMASKER base, and the instructions. To install the Blink Mini, remove the base and snap it on the back. When you install the Blink Mini, make sure to place it all the way in the front, right here. Slide it in like so, till you can see the lens at the very front of the CAMASKER. Make sure it's here, not here. There's two lights on the Blink Mini. If you'd like to cover up the lights, just use a sticker pack. There's a light right here and a light right here. We have our sticker pack so you can cover those up. Setting it up is as simple as placing the CAMASKER into the base, putting the grass on top, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Find us at CAMASKER.com.